Now count them. Row. The way to count is to start the row of chain stitches. The beginning is in the upper left corner. The last stitch of the end is in the lower right corner. Count the center slits from the right. Left and right rows count as one full row.
2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14、15、16、17.
The 17 rows of stitching are partially the last stitches of the end. This side is the top. This side of the beginning is below. Start with the first stitch. The last stitch is already locked. We're only picking two halves next to each other for the sewing part. 2 stitches in the center. This stitch on the inside of this side. And the other piece is also inside this stitch. Pick this one inside. After you've picked them together, the tape wires run together through the 3 coils. It's the act of pulling out the needle. Just have a stitch on each side. Continue forward and pick up half a stitch on the inside. This side is also a half stitch on the inside. 2 stitches next to each other in the center. Okay, we'll keep hooking up until the end. 32 flower needles in all. When the 2 pieces come together, you can start sewing the top of the head.